Okay, so in this video, we're now gonna create our user profile component. So real quick, let's go back to our code. In here, you can simply type PHP artisan make Livewire, let's say profile.home. Enter. All right, now you can close that. Let's close all these open files. Now let's go to our home. Actually, now we have to be careful because now we have two homes. So when you search here, make sure you search home and then go to this one, Livewire profile home. You can close the other home folder. So in here, let's just type home. Now after adding that, we can now go to our web routes. All right, in here, we're gonna have to create a new route. Since we already have a profile here, we can just leave this for now. Okay, we're gonna use this maybe later. So for now, we can just create a new route here. Let's say route get, let's say profile / with a variable which says user. I'm gonna pass a user ID in here. All right, and then here comma, let's say home. Now I have to be careful here because now we have two homes. So here let's say profile, this one, class. And then we can name this route profile.home. All right, so after adding this route, now we can go to our sidebar. All right, and actually we have not yet explored this sidebar, so we'll come back to it later in our future videos. For now, we can just simply go down to where it says profile. In here, we have this A tag, but we don't have a link yet. So let's add the link. Here, open brackets, let's say route. Here we can say profile home. Here we're gonna save a variable. So right here, we can simply say auth user. After getting the user instance, now we can say user name. And also just to avoid any errors, wrap this inside an auth. This last list. Format that document. Or write it. Now, if we go back, let's refresh this page. Now at the bottom here, if I click, you see it should take us to our home right here. So now we're in our home component. That's working fine. And now before we just close, I noticed this left, this profile is looking a little bit, without any picture. So now because we're working with our profile, let's just add a simple static image here. Avatar, we can say source, x400 ? Face. Hopefully that works. Now if we go back and refresh, all right, awesome. Now it's looking much better with the face there. So I think that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.